Alright guys, I'm gonna make a quick review from a card that I brought from Jonathan Iglesias, which is a member of an RWD Grief Society. I actually brought this from him a week ago. I paid $1,400 with shipping, and we're just gonna unbox everything that I purchased. Alright, so sorry for that. Here we have a high-gas Tito Servo that he actually put in there for me. If you guys can see it on the camera, super speed, high speed, LP, whatever. You just put that in there. Now here we have the tools for the Overdose suspension right here. Now this is what he throw these wheels to 15 and 10 oil and the Overdose JCX body with the parts on it. So that's basically what I got for $1,400 that I paid for this chassis, right? Yeah. Now let's look this more closer here. Alright, so this is the Overdose Galm RC Reef chassis. It has the upgrade knuckles already, the A arms on the bottom, the over arms. It has the suspension up there too. I got the front post from Overdose, and on the back right here I got the bottom plates, which is also an upgrade that he did, and knuckles too. And the particular thing about this is that right here, I don't know if you guys can see this right here, you can actually set up the amount of toe without taking this thing out, and you can also change the angle here. I don't know if you can see that right here. Let me see. Hold on a second. Right there. You can change the angle of that. You can change the amount of caster that you want to put in without taking anything out, and that's what I like about this chassis. I mean, these guys they went from look at this. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop talking BS and I'm gonna make some close-ups for this chassis so you guys can see it on detail, and let me know in the comments how you like this. The reason that I brought this is just the way that you can adjust many things without taking anything out. It's just awesome, man. Alright guys, let me know if you guys let me know in the comments if you like this car. I personally, I like it. I'm gonna work on a setup this week for him, and later we're gonna throw a RWD Galm setup for this kind of particular chassis. So I hope you guys like the video, like and subscribe and do all that thing. Thanks.